Welcome to today's discussion. Today we are going to look at a question on rates of work and mixtures, but specifically a question from mixtures. And we are going to look at questions that were tested in the year 2017 and the year 2019. The first question we have reads, a miller was contracted to make porridge flour to support a feeding program. He mixed millet, sorghum, maize, and omena in the ratio of 1 to 2 to 5 to 1. The cost per kilogram of millet was shilling 90. Sorghum was 120 shillings, maize 30 shillings, and omena 150 shillings. The first part of the question, we are supposed to calculate the cost per kilogram of the mixture. In this case, anytime you are given the ratio here, the ratio represents the quantity, and that means millet we bought 1 kilogram, sorghum we have 2 kilograms, maize we had 5 kilograms, and omena we had 1 kg. So in this case now, let us calculate the total cost of the mixture. And to get the total cost, millet was costing 90 shillings and we bought 1 kilogram. We add sorghum 120 shillings and we bought 2 kilograms. We add maize, we bought 5 kilograms and each kilogram was costing 30 shillings. Plus we have omena which costed 150 shillings and we bought 1 kg, so the total would be 1 times 150. And if you add, this one would be 90 plus, this is 240 plus 5 times 30 will give us 150 plus 150 times 1, which is 150, giving us a total of 630 shillings. Having done that, let us get the total number of kilograms. To get the total number of kilograms, we have 1 for millet plus 2 for sorghum plus 5 for maize and 1 for omena, giving us a total of 9 kilograms. We are supposed to calculate the cost per kg. So, cost per kg will be equal to the total cost of the mixture, which is 630. We divide by the total number of kilograms, which is 9, and this one gives us Kenya shillings 70 bob. That is the first part of the question worked out. Then part B we are told the selling price of 1 kg of the mixture if the miller made 30% profit. Remember, the cost price represents 100%, and therefore we can say 100% is equal to 70 shillings. If he made a profit of 30%, it means he got what he spent of 100% and on top of that got 30%. So the selling price is 130%. So if 100% is equal to 70 shillings, 130% will be equal to what? We cross multiply, and in this case, we are going to have 130 times 70. We divide by 100, and this one is going to give us a selling price equal to 91 shillings, and that becomes the answer to this particular question. Looking at question number 2. Question number 2 says, Two types of flour, X and Y, cost shillings 60 and 72 per kilogram respectively. The two types are mixed such that the cost of a kilogram of the mixture is 70 shillings. Calculate the ratio X to Y in the mixture to get 3 marks. This is a question that was tested in the year 2019, Kcse paper 2 question number 2. We have two types, that is we have type X, we also have type Y. Type X costs 60 shillings per kilogram, and since we do not know the number of kilograms of X that were bought, let us say we bought a kilograms. We have type Y, which costs 72 shillings per kilogram, and we do not know the number of kilograms of Y that were bought. Let us say we bought B kilograms. So from here now we can get the total cost. Total cost would be equal to, if we bought A kilograms of X and each was costing 60 bob, it means the total cost of X will be 60 A. We add the total cost of Y will be 72 times B, giving us 72 B. That is the total cost. Then of course, cost per kg, cost per kilogram would be equal to the total cost of the mixture, which is 60A plus 72B. We divide by the total number of kilograms that were bought. We have A kilograms and B, giving us A plus B. And this is what we need for us to get a blend costing 70 shillings. Having done that, now we can rationalize 70 as a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we cross multiply, and if you cross multiply, we are going to have 70 times A giving us 70A, then 70 times B giving us 70B, and this one is going to give us 1 times 60A will give us 60A, plus 1 times 72B will give us 72B. Then from there we collect the like terms. 60A will move to this other side and 70B will move, such that we have 70A minus 60A being equal to, this is 72B. 70B moves to this other side and becomes a minus. And from here now, 70A minus 60A will give us 10A being equal to 72B minus 70B, giving us 2B. From here now, we can divide both sides by 2, such that 2 and 2 goes. Then 10 divided by 2, we are going to get 5A being equal to B. Then if we divide by A on both sides, such that we separate letters with the numbers, A and A will cancel, such that now we have 5. This is 5 over 1 being equal to B divided by A. And in this case now, A is 1 and B is 5. A we have 1, B we have 5. Therefore, A to B is the same as X to Y, and this one is going to be equal to 1 to 5. This is the ratio in which X and Y were mixed in order to produce a blend going for 70 shillings. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you have just come across this channel for the first time, kindly take that 1 second and smash the subscribe button. And to the subscribers, we continue thanking you for supporting this channel, because the channel has grown or continues to grow because of your support. Thank you and enjoy your viewing.